Today on Maysville, Kentucky, Simple Living, it has rained for 3 straight days here. Almost 5 inches of rain here in eastern Kentucky. What I'm planning on doing, and I'm going to take you along with the adventure, is we're going to do a little bit of canoeing right down some country roads. I can't wait to try this. If the water is still up, and I'm betting it is. Oh, look at that sign. Oh. That's a good sign that the road is going to be closed down here. Yes. It's like the end of the road. Let's get canoeing. Yes. That's one way to get it off. Wow, this is pretty wild. Going to canoe right down through the road. Little guardrail right there beside us. There's 30 feet of water right underneath this bridge as we speak. That's a lot. There's a stop sign. Do I need to stop? Don't think so. Don't think it'll be commercial traffic today. Yeah, let's see if we can find a passageway to get over here. Oh, the water's actually dropped a little bit. Dropped about a foot since we were down here last night. That's a bummer. I was hoping to be a little higher than this. I'm going to try to get through these trees here. But going through the swiftest part of the currents. Get to the other side and I'll show you a monstrous, what normally is a cornfield or a soybean field, is a lake today. Let's see if we can pedal through here without turning this thing over and swamping my cameras. I don't want to do that. Yeah, see a little hole right over there and go through. But right down through here is the creek bottom that's normally 20-some feet deep. There we go. There we go. Make sure what Daniel Boone was thinking, or Simon Kenton, when you're out in an area this big. Man, let's show you what it looks like with the other camera. This is usually a big hole. They turned around up here, looking the other way. It's usually a big old, yeah, let me turn around here, the wind's blowing me sideways. It's a big old field. Ooh, 6 to 9 feet of water here. Wow. Let's show you some more fun that we do while we're out canoeing in the warmer weather in the summer months. As you obviously can tell, these poor canoes spent more time underwater than they did on top of the water. Oh! Woo! Look here, big red! I love redneck fun. Did you have a good time today?
Had a good time, brother. Good time.
That's pretty cool stuff, isn't it? Can't wait for it to warm up again. Get out here and do some more canoeing. May of 2020 is not quite warm enough for me yet to get out in the water. It is cold, muddy water today. After 4 to 5 inches of rain, we can expect that. Well, if I had a little more time, I'd probably do a little bit of whitewater down through this creek. That would be pretty cool. We're almost out of here. Had a little trouble getting across that bridge a while ago. I'm just going the outside of it this time. That'll make it easier to get around there. Oh yeah. Very deep here. Oh my goodness. We won't fall out here and you don't know how to swim. The eagle has landed. Sure has. This old guy finally did get her loaded. Whew, it's a beast by yourself, pointing downhill too. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.